In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If this video does help you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for even more guides like this. But first things first, what we're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice once you, of course, do get loaded in to your computer. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You could use whatever you would like, but once you do get on the web browser of your choice, simply go ahead and head to adobe.com. Go ahead and hit enter on this page, and it's going to take you to something that looks like this. From here, you simply need to go to the top right corner and click sign in. Now, if you don't have an Adobe account, you can create one easily for free. So make sure you do that. Once you do get logged in though, it's going to look something like this. It might not be dark for you. I do have dark mode turned on for this. But what you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and navigate to the app section on this left-hand section over here. Click on that, and then from here, you should see Adobe Acrobat up at the very top. It is usually sorted by alphabetical order, so you should see it in here. Go ahead and simply click on that, and then hit install. Now that is if you already subscribed to Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Creator Cloud. If you aren't already subscribed to either one of those, there is a free version called Acrobat Reader, but the full version with advanced tools does require a monthly payment. If you don't have it, just search up Acrobat Reader, just like so. Hit enter, and then this is going to have a free trial for you. And of course, in the future, it'll probably annoy you a little bit, and you'll probably end up getting Adobe Acrobat. Yeah, once it does install, you'll see an option that says opening desktop. That means it is ready to use, and it should also create a shortcut on your desktop. Now you could try opening up a PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. On the left, there's going to be a section that says all tools, which you can actually use to explore available features like edit tool, which allows you to modify text, images, and so much more within that PDF. But that is it. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.